Hey lovelies, if you're looking for a delicious way to give yourself a little boost in the morning, I highly recommend trying this amazing vitamin C smoothie. Now, of course, vitamin C is something we should all be getting more of. It's loaded with antioxidants and great at combating the damage caused by free radicals. And of course, it's all made in a blender, so it's super easy to prepare. Now, this recipe, like all of my recipes, can be found over on healthymealplans.com, our amazing meal planning site that allows you to browse more than 1,000 recipes, drag and drop them into your weekly meal plan, and then it automatically generates your grocery list for the week. If you haven't checked it out, I really hope you do. It's so great and will make your life in the kitchen so much easier. Now, without further ado, let's get to today's delicious vitamin C smoothie. So obviously, as the name suggests, this smoothie is packed with all sorts of incredible sources of vitamin C. Starting, of course, with what we know of as the greatest source of vitamin C, which is citrus fruit. I have got this really beautiful fresh orange I'm so excited about, and I'm gonna pop it right in there. No, I have not removed the seeds, and I definitely didn't remove the pith either. It's all going in the blender. It's fine, it's all fiber, it's great for you. Next to my blender, I'm going to add 2 more amazing sources of vitamin C, strawberries and kiwi. So strawberries, maybe you know, maybe you don't, are packed with all kinds of vitamin C goodness, and so is kiwi. So the combination of the orange, strawberry, and kiwi in this smoothie gives you a massive hit of vitamin C, and it will definitely make you feel great. To that, to add a little bit of creaminess as well as some protein and healthy fat, I'm also adding some vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. If you didn't want to add yogurt to this recipe, you could always go ahead and use some frozen banana here instead, but I love the nutrient profile of yogurt in my recipes, so that's what I'm using today. I'm also going to be adding just a little piece of ginger to this, so maybe about half a teaspoon of ginger. I've peeled it, but I'm not even gonna bother chopping it. I'm just gonna pop it in my blender and let it work its magic. And then finally, for the liquid in this smoothie, typically I'd use something like oat milk or almond milk, but today, because I wanna get as many nutrients as I possibly can into this blender, I'm actually using some pure carrot juice. Now, carrot juice does have a good amount of vitamin C in it, but it is best known for its vitamin A content. So let's just say you are getting a lot of goodness in this smoothie. I'm gonna pour my carrot juice right into my blender. I'm gonna pop the lid on here and set it to work. Let this blend away until everything is totally smooth. And in absolutely no time, guys, you have got a breakfast smoothie that you are gonna feel so good about. It's basically like sunshine in a glass. It's super, super tasty, thick, rich, and delicious. Now the most important part, the taste test. Guys, run, don't walk to the kitchen. This is so good. Obviously, this smoothie packs such a great nutrition punch, and it also happens to taste absolutely amazing. This is such a phenomenal way to start your day, and I hope you'll give it a try for yourselves. If you do, be sure to tweet me, Instagram me, or Facebook me a photo, because you know how much I love seeing your kitchen creations. Remember, this recipe, like all of my recipes, can be found on healthymealplans.com, our amazing meal planning site that allows you to browse more than 1,000 recipes, drag and drop them into your weekly meal plan, and then automatically generates your grocery list for the week. What could be easier than that? Thank you guys, as always, so much for watching. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, because there is lots more deliciousness where this came from.